Hey guys, it's Cameron with Bandzoogle, and today I'm here to walk you through changing your website's theme. Your website's theme can be changed at any time without affecting your website's content. So, you can try out as many different themes as you'd like to find the one that's perfect for your website. To change the theme, you can go to the Edit Theme tab here, and then select View Themes here. From there, you can sort the themes by genre, or scroll through the list of all of our themes. When you find a theme you like, you can select Apply Theme to apply it right away, or use the View Theme button to preview a theme as well as all of its variations. Once you've found your theme, you can select Apply Theme and continue with the theme to move on to editing. Once you've made your changes, you can select Save here. From there, you can publish the theme right away, or select Not Right Now to save the theme to continue working on later. To view your saved theme drafts, you can select View Themes and then go to My Themes here. Then, apply and resume working on your previously saved theme drafts. And that's it for today, guys, so thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed designing your website powered by Bandzoogle.